Hi everybody, Lori, GLP-1 Journey in Review. So today I wanted to just do a quick little video on what's going on in the compounding world. Well, I'm sure you have heard that they're trying to shut down the pharmacies, Big Pharma, Eli Lilly, Novo Nordisk. They're suing some of the telehealth care providers. The states are getting involved. Now in Georgia, the state of Georgia is trying to shut down the pharmacies there, and they're actually threatening some of the nurse practitioners' license if they prescribe it. It's a little scary. If the states get involved, it's going to be tough. As far as the national thing, we expected these lawsuits. We expected all this. We didn't really expect the states to get involved. So I just wanted to give a quick mention to it. Also, I think if you haven't tried to stock up yet, it may be too late, but try to stock up. Will compounding go away? Let's not even get into the state part of it. I don't think it's going to go away. I think it's going to be a lot harder to get. Again, I've stocked up. I've got about 9 months worth. It's tough. Are they going to get away with adding the B12 or B3 or B6 to it? They could if they were writing a few prescriptions, but to write hundreds of thousands and say, oh, it's a specific dose for a special need, that's a tough one. I don't know if that's going to work. I know that Orderly has a big plan. They're going to be having some people get labs, turning some people down. They're going to have smart scales linked into people's profiles so that they have a better health record of them, better questioning, maybe more visits, telehealth visits, which is kind of ironic because everything through Orderly that I've done has been through text. But at least it's still a visit, and I have talked to the provider who's doing it. So will that work? I don't know. Again, states getting involved, that gets a little bit tougher. I think if it wasn't for the states, I think a lot of the compounding companies are expecting the legal system to work. It always has, very slowly, so that they could continue to do this. But I think it's more for the medications in the future, like the retatrutide or forglipron, which I don't even think will be compounded because it's a pill form, and I don't think it's going to be super expensive. But all these newer medications, I think that they want to set a precedent with this so that at least those drugs in the future, because 2026 isn't that far away. We're already into June. So I think they're laying the groundwork for that. And again, my own personal opinion, that this is what that's for, and my own personal opinion, I think compounding will be okay for the next 4 to 6 months. After that, it might get tricky. Again, my opinion, hope I'm wrong for some people. I, again, don't know if Orderly's their business plan is going to work as far as this. I don't know how many different types of supplements they would be adding or dose customizations they're going to do. But just wanted to bring this up and have it as a thought because it is going out there. I know I'm not the biggest channel on news, but I do like to address it once in a while. So this is kind of like my news update for a non-news GLP channel. Let me know in the comments what you think is going to happen with compounding. Do you have a little bit of a stockpile? Let me know in the comments. Would love to hear, would love to know, see how other people are handling it, get your thoughts on the matter, and just let me know.